Welcome back to Sailing Joy. Today we're opening the doors of our home to show you the Sailing Catamaran we chose to be our home for the years to come and travel the world. Meet Joy, our home on the water. She's a Lagoon 46 produced in France and is 14 meters long by 8 meters wide. And if compared to a home, I would say she does have 4 floors. The top floor is a Flybridge, then the deck area, the main floor, and the cabins area. The mast is 23 meters high, and we have 4 types of sail. Our main sail of 90 square meters, a genoa of 51 square meter, a gennaker of 140, and a code zero of 110 square meters. The first time we entered the Lagoon 46, we were immediately impressed by its volume, as we had a Lagoon 42 in the past and were very much used to it. What a difference a 4 feet can make on a catamaran's volume. At the forward area, the trampoline sizes are the same for each side. You even have a lounge area for gathering out on warm days. We really like the smooth design and looks of this catamaran, as it combines design, functionality, space, and most important, being very safe navigating out there. At the forward hull, we keep items we use every day and extra lines. We chose to have 100 meters of chain to be on the safe side, and upgraded our original Delta 25 kilos to a Rockna 40 kilos for added safety at anchorage. So our original Delta anchor became our spare anchor that for the winter time stored here. And the freshwater tanks are located right here, and we have 300 liters. Also used here to store some cleaning stuff and our chain. And our gen set is located right here. We believe that although we have chosen to live aboard and travel the world, we don't have to give up on things we liked from living at land. We have been criticized before for having amenities like this good cup of coffee that you see here, multiple freezers, good-sized refrigerator, electric cooktop, microwave, good-sized stove and oven, beside other things. Honestly, we believe there is not one size fits all when it comes to boating. And to us, trying to accommodate little things that makes our lives comfortable is a good move after all. We have a secondary nav station inside of Joy, mostly used for long passages, but equipped with all electronics needed to sail the boat from the inside. On boats like this one, everything seems to be a factory optional and an add-on. This window is another favorite optional of ours that is very functional and we use it a lot. The dining area, especially during the winter months, is used all the time for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and comfortable enough to spend long hours editing videos. During the evenings, we turn this table on an area where we can lay down and watch videos. One homemade solution that we did was to use the cushions from the forward lounge area on top of each other in combination with these mini storage containers to create this area. It did fit perfectly, saving us the hassle to store additional cushions when not in use, and saved us a couple of $1,000s with this factory optional. Time to show you all our guest cabins. Starting with our forward port cabin. This one is the smallest of our 3 cabins, but still, it does have a 1.5 by 2 meter long bed, and you're able to get into the bed from the sides if needed. A closet and storage underneath the bed, and a private bathroom with a closed shower. Moving down the hall, I will show you the aft port side guest cabin. This cabin is more spacious. Lots of closet space, a 1.6 by a little bit over 2 meter long queen size bed. We really like the indirect LED lights that you find on the floors and ceilings. The bathroom area is also a little bit bigger here and does have an enclosed shower. Now, having the ability to store items underneath the floor on our bilge area is great, and they're all over the boat, as you can see. And so far we have not run out of space for storage. Joy has an owner's version layout, meaning we have 3 cabins in total, and use an entire hall to have the master cabin, head and shower area. On our cabin we also have a small office area with a sofa that honestly we never use it. Underneath the bed on the left side we have drawers to store clothes, and on top of it bookshelves for books and documents. Remember when I mentioned you about the optionals? Yes, the sliding blackout shades are also optionals, and we love the look of it. On the other side, a closet to hang clothes. Right beside our closet door, you can have a pic of our inverter and many of Joy's circuit breakers. And just a little down the hallway, another area for the fuse breakers. We feel this cabin is super spacious and have great volume to it. This layout separates the head and the shower area. I personally have mixed feelings about it because I like it having it all together. For Patricia, she likes this way better. Every 2 to 3 days we have to empty our black water tanks by pressing this button here, as the system uses a pump instead of gravity to release it. Moving on to the owner's suite shower area, we went for the light color Korean sink and floors. Now for the item I know for a fact is Patricia's favorite. And yes, you may have guessed it right, the washing machine. Jokes aside, it really comes in handy as we don't have to go ashore to wash and dry our clothes. The electric panel on this boat is very simple and gathers pretty much all the main switches here. Besides the ones you see here for the electronics, nav, steaming, deck, anchor lights, bilge, water pumps, and fridge, we also added these 2 buttons, one for the inverter and the other one for the spreader blue lights. This is our Flybridge during the winter time. We use these weird looking shades to protect the interior of it from UV rays. Now, one factory option we are very glad we got is this fiberglass structure on top of the command area. With the full weatherproof enclosure, the fiberglass top for the Flybridge is very helpful when you need to reach and work on your mainsail. But it does take some getting used to it, to climb it, as it can be slippery at times. During the night passages, it makes it very comfortable to take your turn up here, while others of course work on their beauty sleep. The visibility from up here on the way is awesome. We chose to select the 16-inch chart plotter, making it very simple and a pleasure to sail or motor sail at times with not much wind around. While up here at the Flybridge, I wanted to show you guys our solar panel setup. We have chosen to install 4 panels of 390 watts each and design a support that in our opinion looks so much better than the proposed one, that would have poles going down to our sugar scoops. This support has proven also to be very stable and hold very well at high winds and bad sea days. The IRS camera system installed are integrated in our chart plotter and serves our needs when arriving into our new slot in the marina or to have a look at outside. This is the area on Joy we use the most, especially during the warmer months. We opted to also have it fully enclosed so it can be used year-round or whenever it gets colder. A few additional factory options we took up here were the teak floors and the sink on the starboard side. At the port side, we really liked this large area where we used it frequently when preparing meals. The trash bin is pretty big, as well as some of the storage we have underneath this area that can also be used as fridge and to store our propane, butane tanks. We also have additional storage underneath this settee. And the sliding bench comes in handy to create a larger dining area. I hope you guys have enjoyed a tour of our home.